Hello, this is Zoe Esplin-Wright, and here is my submission for Enhancement 1. So here is the template site, and just to show you the responsiveness, there we go. Let's validate it. So the HTML, no errors or warnings. Oops, that's the wrong one. And then we'll do the CSS. No errors found. So, yep, there is the template, and then let's go to the home page. This is the desktop view, and this is the responsiveness. I have a few different media query breakpoints there, and it switches from being 2 columns to 1. So there's that. Let's validate it. So here's the HTML. It validates, there's just the warnings with the section marks heading, but it was just following the template that we had. Then here's CSS. Congratulations, no error found. So that validates. So there's the end of my Enhancement 1.